And now it's product review time with Uncle Barko.
Hello, everybody out there in the land of make-believe. I just got a sample order from Printful. It's my first all-over print items. Really excited about it. Wanted to make a quick little video about my first impressions. I created these particular designs for myself to wear while I'm riding my bicycle. I don't know if you'll like the actual designs, but this is more about first impressions. If I were a customer, if I were my own customer and I got these in the mail, how would I react to this shipment? Now I'll do a quality review later. What I'd like to do is wear these, wash them a couple times before I actually do a review of the product. So this video is just about first impressions. I put little stickers over my address because I don't want y'all to know where I live. Have had problems with that in the past. So let's just dig into it real quick here. Now I've ordered 3 items. The day after I ordered these 3 items, Printful started curtailing some of the shipping from the US because of the coronavirus. So these did come in super quick. I was kind of impressed about that. I am still waiting on a fanny pack, which when I ordered it, the next day they switched a bunch of stuff around. One of these came from the US. The other one, I forget which, came from Mexico. Got those right away. Still waiting for a fanny pack that I ordered from, that's going to be printed in Europe. And I think it's in Latvia right now. And I'm not sure when I'm going to get that, but I'm not too worried about it right now. I know there's a lot of weird stuff going on with shipping and the coronavirus. So I've shut down my shop. I'm not ordering anything else. I'm not letting anybody order anything because I don't want anybody to risk their life going to work, printing my product, shipping my product, receiving my product. So I've shut down my shop. I'm not offering anything. These will be available once I open my shop up again, but I don't think anybody's going to buy them because they're pretty loud in design. They're pretty aggressive. It's an aggressive design. But let's just get into the packaging here. So I've received these. Now, if I were a customer and I received this packaging, now the tag looks okay. It's a little wrinkled. It's got my company logo on it, thermal printed, looks okay. And then I put the sticker over it so you guys can't see my address, so just ignore that. But yeah, it looks okay. Now I received this package today as well, and this package has a huge corner ripped out of it. Just a mangled packaging. Now this is actually a real big problem for me because this year I have made 5 orders from Printful. Half of those orders arrived with damaged packaging. One of those orders arrived with a damaged product. So I can't have my customers receiving stuff like this. So yeah, out of 5 orders, I've gotten 3 orders with damaged packaging and 1 order with damaged product. I haven't opened this yet. It might be 2 orders. I'm assuming at the moment that this is not damaged. We'll get back to this. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to talk a little bit more about shipping and some of the issues that I'm having with shipping from Printful and why I might discontinue using them if they keep it up. All right, so let's open the joggers first. So these are men's large all over print jogger pants, sweatpants. Joggers, sweatpants. I call them sweatpants, but they're listed as joggers. So I guess if that's what society's calling them, I'll call them that too. But back in my day, we called them sweatpants. So let's check them out. So I've pulled the packaging out. Nothing else packaging-wise other than this kind of questionable plastic packaging. They're not wrapped. They're not pinned. It's kind of folded up, stuck in a bag, stuck in the mail. So let's check out the actual pants. So again, I've designed these just for myself to wear on my bike so I can be seen. It's not supposed to be fashionable. So I'm gonna look at the quality real quick, and man, that looks good. I am pretty happy with that. Now on the on the mock-ups on the website, they don't show that it does have a drawstring. So I didn't know if it was going to have a drawstring or not. I was a little worried about that because my belly changes shape quite often, and I like to have a little drawstring, tighten it up. And I like playing the pants dance all the time. Pants dance, pants dance. So, yeah, see, these look good. The print is all the way into the seams. So now some people have mentioned that if you pull on the seams a little bit, you can see the white of the material underneath. That's just how it is. That's just how you're doing print on demand printing. They're printing it onto some fabric, shipping it out. The fabric is white. If the fabric was black, wouldn't have that issue. That's something that Printful might look at adding in the future is black fabric options for their all-over printwear, but I'm not worried about it. If I got my butt stretched out that far, I don't want people looking at it anyway. All right, so yeah, everything seems to be centered and accurate to the graphic that I uploaded. Oh yeah, look at that. It's got a little tag. So they say that there's a tag in it, but I never really knew where the tag was. And look, see there. Look, see there. It's on the inside of the pant cuff. And no other branding on it. But of course, I got my brand right on it. That's the other reason why these are pretty much I just made these for me to wear. Got my branding on it. So, hey, what's that? Oh, yeah. It's my company. All right, so those look pretty good. Probably a little long. Now, I wear a medium, but I found last time I bought a medium through Printful, I got something that was a little tighter than I wanted, so I went with large for these. So they might be a little large, but I'd rather have a little large than a little tight, because again, my body shape changes, especially now that I've been under quarantine. Usually I'm the same weight all the time since high school, but since we've been on quarantine, I gained 10 pounds, and then I gained another 10 pounds. So not super happy about that, but let's get into this. So don't have to use the knife to open it up because the bag's already ripped open. Hopefully the product is not damaged. Okay. All right, so this is the all over print men's athletic shirt, and it is again a large. I went a size up because I got a hoodie, and it was pretty tight for a medium. So let's look at the graphic here. Graphic is beautiful, man. That's awesome. The graphic on this looks better than the graphic I made, so I'm pretty happy about that. It seems centered. There's no blank spots, no glitches that I can see right away. So yeah, my initial impression of the actual products are I'm pretty impressed. And that's why I've gone with Printful, because their ratings for quality are far surpass the next best. So what my research has shown is that Printful has the best quality printing, the brightest colors, the best representation of the colors that you're using in your graphic. And then the next best is Printify, but it's the next best. You go online, watch videos where they're doing side-by-side comparisons, which hopefully I'll get some out for you for, I think I'm going to try to do one for stickers. But if you see the side-by-side comparisons, there's a vast difference between the Printful products being the highest quality, and then the next one down, still, they get good reviews, Printify, but still, there's a huge difference between the quality of the imagery that you get from Printful that you don't get from Printify. But that's not saying anything bad about Printify. They have good products, they have great prices. So I have not ordered a Printify product, so I can't speak to it, but I do have some listed in my shop. So hopefully I'll get some orders up here pretty soon, get some sample orders in. You guys check those out. So, oh yeah, let's make sure that there was no damage done from the big ass gaping hole in my package. Just a quick check here. Front and back. Yeah, it doesn't look like the product was damaged at all. It is, as far as I can tell, it's perfect. It's perfectly what I wanted. It's perfectly what I ordered. And now that I've gotten the packaging out of my eye line, I'm pretty happy with the results of the printing. But you know, the product can be printed well, it can be great quality, but if the packaging doesn't protect the product from the manufacturer to the customer, and my customer is getting a less than perfect package, and that's their first impression, it's really disappointing. You know, a lot of brand loyalty, a lot of customer loyalty comes from the impressions from packaging. So I was doing last year I was selling just jewelry on Etsy, and every one of my reviews were 5-star reviews, and all of them mentioned the packaging, because I took a hit from Tiffany and made the most beautiful, elaborate, branded packaging that I could afford, and none of my packages showed up damaged. All of them, when they opened the outer packaging, was robust. The inner packaging was delightful. It was quality packaging, and every single one of my reviews mentioned, hey, this is a great product. It showed up on time, and I love the packaging. So packaging is very important when it comes to online sales, when it comes to repeat customers, and I have been very disappointed with the packaging up until now. And now that I've gotten this, this fabric, this light fabric, in this cheap bag with a big ass hole in it, I really would encourage Printful to spend the extra couple of cents to provide better packaging. So where am I coming from on this? I was a warehouse coordinator for Sony Health Sciences for about 7 years. I have IATA certification to ship dangerous goods internationally. I have shipped explosives. I have shipped live viruses. I have shipped corrosive materials. And I've done drop testing for packages. I know a lot about packaging. It was my job to know about packaging. So for just a few cents more, Printful could improve the packaging dramatically, and I'd pay that. I'd pay more. I would happily pay more for the base price of my product, for the shipping of my product, to have quality packaging. So my first impressions are packaging, garbage, but the actual quality of the items, great, really cool, really like this, really happy with this design, and I'm gonna go try it on right now right here. Show you what it looks like when I'm wearing it. And let's take it inside, because the sun's starting to go down, and I can't change out here on the street in front of my house. Okay, I was going to go inside, but I thought it might be better to show you the outfit in context. This is what I wear when I'm riding my bike. This is my bike, and I created the designs to coordinate with the colors on the bicycle, and also just to be seen. I want people to look at me and go, I don't want that near my car. So I usually wear my bomber jacket. This is Alpha Industry, and usually wear this when I'm riding. And then this is the hoodie I was telling you about, that I got it in a medium, and it is a little tight. I know I've gained some weight, but I'm a solid medium. Usually I can wear a medium, no problem, and a medium's a little tight. So this is the hoodie I got, and well, that's not what we're reviewing today. We're reviewing it's a little chilly, so I'm gonna leave the hoodie on for now. So the shirt looks great. It's a mesh material, a lot of wind going through. It'll easily shed sweat. So that's great. I like that, especially when I'm riding. I like to have a shirt, sweat wick, liquid wick, it wicking. Anyway, this shirt will definitely wick off the moisture. So put my hoodie back on because it gets a little chilly. So the pants, they're a little tight in the calves for a large. I think that if I would have gotten a medium, it would have been super tight in the calves. In fact, I had a little trouble getting my foot through the cuff, but once it's on, it is nice and comfortable. And for athletic wear, these are better than the most of the pants that I've had for riding my bike because they are tight in the calves. Not a lot of fabric flapping about here to get caught in my gears. So pretty happy about that. I think even after I lose a couple of pounds, I'll still continue to order the large sizes. Otherwise, it looks good. It looks good. But you know what I did notice is that, pardon me, what I did notice is that you can really see the white fabric on the seam here. You don't have to stretch it at all. So, you know, that's an issue. I might not make any more dark colors on my all over prints, especially in the seam areas, unless they switch out. You have an option for black or white material, because it doesn't look right. It already looks like it's kind of worn, you know, but otherwise looks great. I'll still wear these all the time because I don't want to make a fashion statement. I want to make a visual impression. So I think this outfit does that. Of course, again, probably avoid dark designs in the seam areas in the future when I'm making more graphics. Everybody lives in the sun, huh? All right. But other than that, pretty happy with the quality of the material. I'm happy with the quality of the printing, and very unhappy with the packaging. So, whatever that's worth for you guys, I am gonna get back to work here. And till next time, you know, Godspeed, Earthlings.
This has been Product Review Time with Uncle Barko. Follow the Barko Toy Company for more content.